So I want this to easily mount inside my machines, and I have this extra Noga base, and I'm like, so I need you to come up with a solution to go like that in the waterproof case.
Okay.
We have a 3D printer, we can make stuff, like nothing too complicated, but.
On there.
What do you think?
Should be pretty easy to do. Yeah, so I was thinking just like a pin that's turned down to thread into the bottom of this platform.
So like
even like that.
A pin that's threaded to that?
Yeah.
I guess we have this adapter.
Yeah, because that can come off and go onto the waterproof case.
Okay.
And then this can tighten down to fit the size of pin we need.
Yeah, that could work.
I just don't know what thread this is, but I suppose we could measure that.
Because these bases are just, it's a 1/4-20 thread.
420?
Always. Okay. These bases are awesome. You can mag it down to like the ways in the machine or the vise or something in the lathe. We can get some really cool camera angles. Like right now I have no way to film inside the lathe very easily. So I'm like opening the door, sticking my hand in there with the cell phone. It's not good. I want a mounted solution, not a suction cup or something like that. So yeah, so let's make that.
Okay, so
what do you have?
I fitted the camera into the waterproof case and I basically just bolted it onto the mag base.
So, okay, let me see here. So you just have a bolt with a nut as a spacer,
yep.
A nut on the other side to secure it,
yep.
And that's it.
Yeah, the nut as a spacer is basically just to keep it centered so it doesn't wobble around.
And it's tight enough,
tight.
Maybe? I just broke it for you. Might need something just to make it a little bit more secure.
Yeah.
But as a quick and dirty, like a barrel tube or something in there.
Yeah.
A stack of nut washers or something. Yeah, because I don't want to rely on it having it need to be off center to keep it tight.
If it had like a threaded insert we could stick in there, like a threaded tube that we could thread it right into, that'd be sweet.
So this whole thing is a Noga base. It's a magnetic attachment. Here, hold this. I'll show you over here. Right, so I've got my Mitutoyo dial test indicator here. I can mount this, not that you would mount it to the outside of a machine, but right, so this is a measuring device. And then I can very gently find a surface with that. Dial it in, sweep something underneath, or measure a diameter or something like that. So using a machine tool adapter thing to mount the camera, I thought would be pretty sweet. Because I have an extra one of these. And they make bigger ones too, so if we need more magnetic power, maybe we could get a bigger mag base to mount the GoPro, but yeah. Like I want a solid solution so that the machine can run all around and the camera just follows. And these things tighten up really tight.
Yeah.
And then they have like full degrees of freedom to aim the camera any which way you want, which is awesome.
And just don't touch this.
Yeah. That's not done yet.
It's getting there.
Okay. So yeah, if you make it shorter, it's not going to be as top heavy, right?
Yeah.
I'd say that's strong enough. I don't think the coolant's going to blow it off. I think the rapid movements are going to blow it. And they do make bigger mag bases, so if we wanted to do that. Cool. Yeah, we got to play with this. We got to try.
I'd say it's worth a shot.
Yep. And then we just need like a little windshield wiper right here. Doot, 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 doot. New product.
We need one for the screen in there.
No, but realistically, I have thought about just kind of, I can't reach, just mounting a little air blast just outside the GoPro lens to keep it clean so that coolant can blast onto it, but it's still, I don't know, you would kill your sound, but you might get the shot. So we could mount it there for one. So this is a perfect example of how it's going to work. I can mount it directly in line with the cutting tool. I can level it. But obviously, I can't run a full cycle because at the end the parts catcher would come out and catch the part. That would be disastrous. So you just got to be careful where you mount it to and everything. Or just do one operation at a time. But I've seen other people mount them, like here would be kind of cool.
Yeah.
So you just have to be extremely careful where you put this and why. I think that would be strong enough. And the GoPro doesn't focus really close. So you don't want it this far away. You need at least that much. I like it. I'd say solidify that, make it a bit more burly, and then we have a solution. Hey guys, thanks for watching our camera mount video. I appreciate all your likes, and if you're not already subscribed, you really should be subscribed because we're pumping out content more than ever before, and I love it. I like doing those little side projects like the camera mount, interspersed with all the bigger, crazy projects that we got going on. So yeah, we're just getting ready for Blade Show, and we will see you guys there very shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.